Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am Gamion, and I will be your game developer for this stream. With me is my co-host Mega Kitty. Let's see what she's up to right now. And that's about as far as I can zoom in. So she's just chilling there. Great to have her as a co-host tonight. I'm working on an online multiplayer soccer brawler called Field of Heroes. I hope to release it in early next year. It's basically a cross between soccer and MOBA, basically soccer with weapons and abilities. And it looks like it's a lot of fun so far, but I still got a lot of work to do on it. And I'm trying to get some testers on it as well. Gotta get some 5-player, 10-player games going on. With no further ado, I'm working on gamepad support, starting with single stick support. I know almost all gamepads are twin stick or even have 3 sticks on them these days, but I want to work my way up to twin stick and get that working. And the issue right now I'm having is currently controlling one of my characters using a single stick. I can't seem to get them to turn. And I think I know why, and I'm going to fix it in a few minutes. So that's obviously kind of messed up. But if I use twin sticks, it works. Just not single stick. So I'm going to fix that. And I think the problem is right here. Focus rotation. Okay, so the issue here, if aiming offset 0. Okay, let's see if that fixes it. I ordinarily stream on Mondays, but I figured tonight I'm just going to work on this again, so I may as well stream. And see who else is out there streaming as well. Oh wow, not that many right now. No, looks like it's still not working. And why would that be? Let's pause it and figure out why. That's interesting. That's never even... Oh, okay, so we already get there. Okay, I want to get active rotation. I wonder. Let's roll that back. Maybe get over active rotation. What if we did... Wait, no. Active rotation... Actually, this is yaw. Pitch yaw. You know what? I think I might know where the problem is. Let's go to the animation blueprint. Yeah, this, I think, might be the problem. I think what's going on is this is always setting the actor rotation to the aiming rotation, and this is always setting the aiming rotation to the actor rotation. So we got a circular dependency here. If I'm right, then we should make a change. So let's move this out a little bit. Valid focus. Let's just do this. We're not going to change anything else. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's better. But it's not really doing a smooth rotation, though. Is there a way to lerp the orient movement? Wait a minute, how do the other heroes do it? What are we doing here? Looking direction, okay. I wonder if we need to do a smooth character rotation. Maybe this is what we should be doing. If I did this. Nah, still kind of jittery there. Oh, and there goes Missy. Wonder if we even get here. Yeah. Okay, I got an idea. What if we took all this, put it aside, all of this, and then we copy this stuff over? I'm just curious to see what that does. Oh, it's still jittery. Did not expect that. Wait a minute. Maybe it's not. Okay, so it's looking direction, it looks like. Alright, let's get rid of this. Bring this back. Wait a minute, shouldn't we be in velocity direction? What if we change this to velocity direction? I wonder what that will do. It's not really smooth rotation, but let me see how that affects things. In fact, I'm going to put the original blueprint back in, and I want to see how that works. Let's detach all this, move it down. Okay, that looks better. So we're doing velocity direction now. Okay, and then we don't need to do this special stuff. Yeah, in fact, I think that would... Yeah. None. False, not moving. Velocity direction. Well, maybe that does fix it. It was just a character issue. Let's see how this looks on the network. Okay, looks good. Wait, a little slight delay, but that's expected. Kind of jittery though. I want to see the smooth rotation parameters on this guy. not expect that. Oh, looking direction, that's why. Smooth character rotation, let's compare that with the 500. Let me see this with mouse and keyboard. Okay, it still feels fine. Actually, wait a minute. How can that still look smooth? Let me run this by here. Okay. So in the looking direction. Oh, it. Is this ever set anywhere? Rotation mode? Oh wait, that's the preview, that's why. Alright, so let's do rotation mode. We're gonna make his velocity direction for real this time. Yeah, I figured that would break that, but I want to see how it looks with just the gamepad. Still kind of janky a bit. It's less janky, granted that. Let me roll that change back. Okay. One other thing. Let's do no to that. Let's see what happens when we do that. Okay. Wait, is it shaking again? Where's that set? Oh, must have been from Blueprint, or native code. Okay. It should work. Something is, it's like something else is, oh, it's the aiming rotation. Still 0. What if I... Oh, I can't set that. if I did this? Oh, back to this then. Alright, what if I kept this, kept the smooth rotation in, then I go fix that blueprint, orient rotation and movement on a valid locus. What if I didn't do that? And what if I did a fix here? There we go. That's what I want to see. So what I had to do is make it so he does not orient his... So Unreal Engine has a built-in mechanism for orienting a pawn in the direction of its velocity, but I turned that off because it doesn't do it smoothly. It doesn't use any interpolation of any kind. Yeah, so I set this to off. So it does not orient. So now it's the animation blueprint's responsibility to do it. Otherwise, let's do perform a smooth character rotation. Toward the velocity. That should do it. Test that again. Yeah, that's what I want to see. So we got single stick action. Let me save that before I screw it up. Fixed Ellis rotation. Ooh, I better make sure that keyboard mouse still works too. Yes, because I want their whole character to turn. Wee. Okay. Now the other issue. Teleporting. This isn't really set up to work in single stick mode. So, what do we do about that? Get teleport destination. really need is to override. Let's see. Try from the blackboard. Get the ability to target transform. This will be the new function for getting a teleport destination. Okay. Let's have the AI do a teleport. Good. I think that works. Let me double check again. right. Now, so we have that much working. Now let's see what happens when we do single stick teleport. Oh, nothing apparently. How far did we get? Oh, we don't want this anymore. What is this? And since Missy is out of the room, we're going to go ahead and put the camera back on her tree, shall we? Hopefully she'll be back later. Okay, so back to this. Make sure that's valid. Make sure this still works with the keyboard mouse. Okay, good. Let's make sure that it still works for the AI. Yep. Now, if I try doing this through a stick, then I should get a... I think it will deny me the activation. Let's see. So we'll do this, and then we'll... Yeah. Get ability to transform. Good. Wait, oh, that's how I teleport. Okay, so, playing single stick. Then, oh, I just had a thought. If I'm playing single stick, I'm using the second stick for dashing. I may need to have both buttons support dashing. Hadn't thought of that. I'm going to try some other controllers. But that is a tomorrow problem. But, and I'm on a good spot. So, how do we decide on where to teleport if we're single stick player? I'm thinking, I want to teleport as far as I can. I want to go as far as I can from my current facing direction. So I'll have to maybe do a series of tests to see what I can do. So what is my, where was my limit for how far I could go? And I'm trying to remember where I put that. Somewhere there was a limit for how far I could teleport, and I forgot where I think it was in the effectiveness query. So, for those of you, I'm sure you don't know, in Unreal Engine, we have decision trees, behavior trees for deciding AI behavior, and we have gameplay abilities, which there's one ability. Every hero has 4 abilities: one for the weapon, one for dash, one for offense, one for defense. These are in gameplay ability objects or classes that define how those work. This is teleporting. Here, when the ability is activated, we get the proper destination for it, and then we perform it. And I should make sure this canceling is in place properly. Good. These need to move out a little bit to the right. Yeah, so we make sure we can get the ability, location, and then we commit, and then we do some VFX, we do a delay, and we do a teleport. So all the ability logic is in here. So the question is, how does an AI know where to teleport? This is where my code comes in. I have, in my own gameplay ability class, I have a member function, or member object, called an effectiveness query class. So what this class does is it's effectively a query to say, hey, where should I teleport for maximum effect? And the AI looks at that and says, well, I want to teleport away I want to teleport toward the ball, but not in the middle of a bunch of enemies. So I wrote this class to figure out how to do that. Just some query stuff here, some blueprint that drives it, makes it work. And then the query says, here's where you should teleport. And then once the AI knows where to do that, then it invokes the ability. Every ability has their own effectiveness query. Some are tailor-made for executing an ability if there are nearby allies, so you can buff them. Others are for spawning objects that harm their opponents, so you want to find a good spot where there's a lot of opponents, and so on. So now I gotta, for this case, what I'm trying to do is single stick. I can't use this because this is 100% made for AI. The AI can teleport anywhere, not necessarily the direction that they're facing, and that's key. Here, I only want to teleport in the direction I'm facing, so I can't use this. I'll have to figure something out instead. So I'm probably going to draw a line. So let's see. Let's get this. Where was the distance? Min distance, remove target. I thought I had a spreadsheet setting in that for that. Where was it? Maybe I... no, I should. Darn, I forgot where I had that. Let me see if I can find it in my data sheets. If I have to look at white, so do you. Alright, so Ellis, teleport, casting range, that's it. Where was the casting range? I forgot where I put it. I thought it was in the ability. Maybe it's here? Oh. Okay, that's what I need. So I'm going to instantiate that. Let's do this. Yeah, so that's our casting range. We're going to start with maximum distance. And just to humor ourselves, let's set that to be the destination. Just going to hack this together, see how it looks, that's all. Alright, let's see what we get now. Okay, that works. Now, here's the problem. What if I try to do it onto this green thing? What happens? So I sink into the floor? What happens? Oh. You know, let's just... Oh, I didn't expect that to work. All right. All right. Let's do this. Let's go in the practice field as Ellis. Let's see if I can spawn behind the bleachers. Yep. That doesn't work. I need to do a reachability test of some kind. I want to see what this returns. So we'll say, before we exit out... Oh, actually, you know what? What's happening? What happens now if I use... Oh, okay. Now, hold up a second. Let me go back to an actual map. I wonder if I broke this. Ooh. Yeah, I broke it. Not in this commit, but I broke it sometime in the past. He used to not be able to do that. So, I want to debug that a little bit first. Here, watch this. I'll destroy the heroes, and then we're going to show the locusts. Oh, we got to turn off cooldowns too. Debug, player, locust. Okay. Thing is, he shouldn't be able to teleport here. I'm trying to remember what I did to fix that before. I don't think... What about these walls? Oh, it must have been the whole locust overhaul I probably did. Alright. Let's look at the invisible walls. Okay, this invisible wall right here. Oh, that's static. I thought I had a line trace. Yeah, here's the line trace. Oh, wow. I broke that a while ago. There could be all kinds of things that I could have done that caused that. Yeah, and because Unity decided to blow up my old source repo, I don't have a history to see it. I had to squash everything over 2 weeks ago, so that's great. So I have no idea how that happened. Alright, so I wonder if I'm even calling this. No, I'm not even calling that. Well, let me look at something else. Should I be able to teleport across that? I kind of think I should. Wait a minute. Whoa, what's this? A little shiny there. Is that the floor? I'm gonna talk to my artist about that. Yeah, I'll talk to my artist about that. Some of the under the field is showing there. All right. I could probably hack it by scaling this down a bit, but I don't want to. It's really needs to be fixed properly. Okay. So currently teleport does not do any tests that I see. Wow. Alright. I'm going to deal with that. Well, I'm going to deal with both. Because now... Yeah, so I have this just kind of hacked together. I still need to do this test, but... wow. I don't think I will leave it like this for now. I think I do want to address that problem. So the problem is, he's going past the field. Maybe going through a tree is one thing, but a wall, like the invisible wall that keeps him from leaving the field, that's different. What's under here? Ground. Okay, that's the ground plane. So the floor. Ground. Actually, maybe I do. Maybe that is the answer. Is this location test? We need to do that test. Alright, let's see if I can still teleport from outside the bounds. Okay, that's better. Just had to do a simple test there. Phew. Okay. Alright, and then that would be that. Let's move all this down further. Back in the game. For loop. So I want to do a for loop here. Starting at the maximum range. Wait, this compiles? I thought I didn't like not having a result here. Teleport location. Is location reachable? True. And then we return it. else, we reduce. We set the local casting range to it by, let's subtract 50. I want to be pretty methodical on that. And then on failure, so I'll return, but on failure, then we just fail. Okay, so let's go back to single stick practice mode. Okay, it's not working at all. Let's have a look at that. Check. Local actor, for vector. Looks good. $750. Oh, it is had a query, that's why. Happening. Go away. Okay, so looks like for some reason it's never seems to be quite reachable. Try this again. Oh wait, what's this? What's why? Oh, 90. Oh. Oh, that's why. We gotta factor in the half capsule size. that should fix that. Tidy up a little bit here. All right, let's see how that looks. All right. What if I tried doing this? Oh, that should have detected the ground wasn't there. Return false. Let's try it again. So for some reason that satisfied it. Wait a minute. Oh, I must have not used this in another place. We'll teleport location. That's right. Why is it? All right, let me make sure I got this set up right. Find the farthest point from Ellis in their forward direction that they can teleport to, and teleport. On failure, turn false. Huh. Alright. I want to see it's when it's succeeding. Teleport location. Okay, what is it hitting? That's my question. Static mesh for what? Cube? I don't know what it's hitting. What's the location, though? 344, 27, negative 2717. Negative 344. Negative 2717. Does this also mean that I can... No, I can't do it like that. Oh, yeah, I can. It's like it's moving a little extra. Let me make sure that's teleporting to the right place. That's good. That's right. So what are you doing with that info? Yeah, I don't get it. Why is it accepting that destination? What if I want to draw a shape? Yeah, he's clearly not teleporting to that location. I know. I'll do another test. Or do the same test, but a little bit further ahead. Plus times 20. Okay, let's see how that looks. No, it's still... here. And another one in the second location. Oh, didn't test nearly far enough. Let's do 100. Oops, I soft locked it. And if that was false, then we go here. Oops, it was false. That's better. They can maybe reduce that distance a little bit. Let's just do 80. And I'm going to do it, let's see, with this again. Good. Now let's see with if I can trick it. Oh, I can still trick it. Because I'm not doing that test. I gotta do that same test. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. I'm gonna wrap these into a helper function. So you don't have to do this mess here. Let's see. Utility. And then we do our second test here. What was it, 80? Yeah. Yeah, what a mess. So let's move this over here. Wait a minute, why can I just return this here? Yeah. Okay. And not only is the location reachable, but the location a fixed distance ahead is also reachable, so the hero does not fall forward. That should do it. And then again over here. Oops. Let's see if that works. Oop, well, that was my fault. Let's try it again. Good. Let's see if we can fool it. Alright, I think we got a winner on our hands. So we have this old one. Are we using this anymore? No. This can go away as soon as I verify. This looks right. Yes, gone. Okay, activated ability also applies now, which it didn't do before, so this is all overall improvement. So, I think we got Ellis teleporting, working in single stick mode. That's terrific. And then let's commit those changes. Let's close the editor to do that. Don't want to save that map, but we do want to save these maps. Teleport now properly works in single stick gamepad mode. Now what about spawning his tornado? I want to make sure that still works. All right. That's a sign to me that it works. Because it knew to spawn at that point. So I spawned anything. I mean, what if I just spawn it way out, just over in left field? What if I do that? Oh, it won't let me spawn it. Can't spawn a wall either. Can't spawn a wall at all. Okay, so we got a little work to do on those. Alright, let's go back to... I want to try spawning a tornado just out in the boonies. What if I do that? Okay, as I thought, it won't spawn. Alright. So what do I do there? Here, I may need to find a reachable location. I want to see something else, though. What about the wall? Okay, wall. Looks like that's probably going to be the same problem. Oh, no, I found one. Effectiveness. Oh, but it's not reachable. Wait, how can it not be reachable? What's the effectiveness query? Oh, magic wall. But how can it not be reachable? Oh, it's... I have to snap it to the ground. Okay, right. Where do I snap it to the ground, though? This needs to snap to the ground. Oh, it's not snapping at all. Okay. Alright, let's see if that works. Wait a minute. Oh, never mind. Let's try spawning that wall again. Oh, it's not effective. Oh, I was tricked. Target loc wasn't... Okay. Rats. Okay, so it's the same deal. We need to choose a point. Actually, I can probably just revert my changes here. Okay. Also, we'd want to... What is it, Mega Kitty? Actually, you know what? Let's take that character test out. Alright, let's try that again. Ah, it didn't work. Well, let's try it again. Oh, because cooldowns. There we go. Oh, I didn't want to get knocked down. Oh, now I don't have control anymore. That's interesting. Okay, so good. Okay, I think we got a winner here. And let's do the wall. Cool. Excellent. Yeah, and by the way, the player who casts the wall can run through it, and so can their teammates. That's a little cool feature I thought of. Okay. Let's go back to the other hero. Make sure I'm still happy with them. Okay, good. I want to test that again. I want to make sure I understand that it's working. Oh, I guess there was a... No, okay, that's not effective. It did not... 500. Okay. Alright, we're in a good position. I'm going to save this. Oh, I actually do want to see one more thing. I want to see... I could not... Oh. Never mind. I know what the problem is. There's some bugs with the ink cap. Oh, and the knockdown. Oh, that's weird. Uh-oh. Well, how can I leave when Mega Kitty's coming? Uh-oh, we got Mega Kitty. Those of you who have stuck around for the stream, get a treat now, because Mega Kitty's here. So let's all say hi to Mega Kitty. Starting from here. It's Mega Kitty. What are you doing, Mega Kitty? The Mega Kitty experience. What are you doing, Missy? You're a Mega Kitty. Oh, you're such a happy kitty. Are you looking at yourself, Missy? What's going on? What's going on, Mega Kitty? All right, let me go save my changes here. Let's see, controls. So it was a fair bit of work to get just 2 of the heroes to work without a gamepad. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to plow through more of those. So let me... What happens if I knock myself down? Oh, okay, that's a bug with the that box there. Let's try in-cap. There we go. Very good stopping point. Who's next? Is Grace, the Beastmaster of all the heroes. Let's see how they work under stick. Good. Basic. Try dash. Dash works. What about abilities? Let's turn off the cooldowns again. Oh wait, I had that backwards. There. Hey, that's working. Oh, it fell. Wow, looks like it works out of the box. Finally, some luck. All right, well that one's Grace is working. How about Horus? Let's see how Horus is doing. Okay, melee seems to work. Dash. Oh yeah, this is probably not going to work. Yeah, I already know this one's gonna. I'm gonna have to work on that. I'm gonna work on that tomorrow. It's closing on 10 o'clock tonight. I worked a full day. But Missy's purring now. You're purring. We got share it with the world, Missy. Okay. All right, that's my kitty experience. And she's being a happy kitty. But yeah, it is probably time to start hanging it up and reading us off to another game developer. Let's see. I haven't rated off to Jed in a while. Let's rate off to Jed M, shall we? So thanks everyone for showing up on this unplanned stream evening. I got a lot done. I'm pretty happy with it. I got more work to do. And I hope to see you on the next stream, even if it's another unplanned one. Here we go.